Hey guys, what's up? Mike here. I am talking today about how to adjust your string tension. Bendy B2003 on YouTube wanted to know how to do it. Apparently it's been a tough discussion for him. So, how do you adjust string tension? String tension is pretty important when you start to get more advanced at yo-yoing. You want to do these cool slack tricks, and well, if the string decides to twist around on you in the middle of it, it can make it pretty hard to land your crazy, awesome slack tricks because it'll twist up and then you can't grab the string. I figured let's show you a couple of different ways to adjust your string tension. We'll start out with the really simple stuff and then get to the more advanced stuff. Probably 3 or 4 techniques in this video. The very most easiest way to adjust your string tension is to spin the yo-yo. Like that. Obviously I can spin it better in one direction or the other. So here's the thing. When I'm holding the yo-yo and I've got the other string tied to my throw hand, and I bring the yo-yo in my free hand close to my throw hand, if the string tension is off and I go like this, it's going to start to twist up on itself. Now, depending on the direction that those strings twist up, that determines what direction I twist the yo-yo. So, if those strings spin clockwise, from top down clockwise, that means that it's just a little bit too loose and I need to tighten the string. And to tighten the string, I have to spin the yo-yo clockwise. So, a few spins, pull it apart, put it back together, and now they aren't twisting up. Now, let's say it's a little too tight. So when I bring the yo-yo close to my free hand, close to my throw hand, you'll see that the string twisted up in the opposite direction. This time, from the top down, it spun around counterclockwise. Now that just means that the string's too tight and I need to loosen it a little bit. To loosen it, the yo-yo needs to spin counterclockwise as well. So I'll spin it counterclockwise, just a little bit more, and there we go. Neutral tension again. So that is the most easy way to adjust your string tension. A lot of people just let it hang down, let it unspin, or spin up for a while. But if you just grab up here and you give it a little twist, you can definitely speed up the process. That's the fastest way to adjust it. Unfortunately, maybe not the fastest way, but that's one of the fastest ways to learn how to adjust it. But unfortunately, it just doesn't really do well for you on stage. So if you're going to start competing, then you may need to know how to adjust your string tension a little bit faster, maybe without even having to stop the yo-yo, spin it, and then wind it up and catch it again, throw it again. So let's talk about a more advanced way. There's a couple of different methods to this. The easiest next step is to throw a sleeper. And say my string is too tight and I need to loosen it. Well, if the string is spinning counterclockwise, that means that the string is too tight. And to loosen it, if I do a throwdown, I need to pop the yo-yo up and towards the right. I need the string to go up and towards the left of the yo-yo. When the string goes up and to the left of the yo-yo and does what they call a sidewinder, when the string is up on the left side of it, it's going to loosen the string. And when you swing the yo-yo up to the left, therefore bringing the string up to the right of the yo-yo, and it spins it, that will tighten the string. Same principles as before. If the string is spinning to the left, or if the string is spinning counterclockwise, then it is too tight and I need to loosen it. So swing the yo-yo up to the right so that the string is on the left, the yo-yo will spin forward, loosening the string, and that adjusts the tension. Now say it's too loose and the string is spinning clockwise, then I swing the yo-yo up towards my left, the string goes around the yo-yo a few times, it gets tightened, and maybe a few more times. It's hard to do this left-handed. I'm sure you righties understand. And the string is now neutral again, or pretty dang close to neutral. So you get the idea. That's probably the easiest sidewinder method. Throw a sleeper, swing the yo-yo up to the left, and it will tighten the string. Up to the right, and it will loosen the string. Now the next one up from there requires a split bottom mount. This one, you're going to take the middle string, the one that's basically holding the yo-yo, and depending on if you want to loosen or tighten it, you can pull it to the right or you can pull it to the left. Same principles as before, just a kind of more compact way to do it. It used to be really popular because you could throw it in between tricks, or when you were transitioning from a side style trick into a front style trick, right at the beginning you could sort of sneak in that little sidewinder thing and then keep on going with your front style trick. Up from there, this is actually a more basic one where you throw a UFO in either direction. Throw it to the right to tighten, throw it to the left to loosen. But these days, because people have finger spinnable yo-yos, you throw it to the right, it tightens, you do your finger spin, correct it, and catch it. Left, loosen, finger spin, correct it, catch it. So that's just a few of the different ways that you can adjust your string tension and how you can accomplish it. No, it doesn't matter if you're left or right-handed. What matters is that when you swing the yo-yo up to the left, the string happens to be on the right side of it. And when you swing it up to the right, it happens to be on the left side of it. Right will tighten, left will loosen. Clockwise will tighten, counterclockwise will loosen. When you hold the string and the yo-yo next to each other, if the string twists up, gotta give it a little bit more. If the string twists up clockwise, like that just did, that means that it's too loose, and that if I tighten the string, that will fix my string tension. Same in reverse. If the string is too tight, the string will spin up on itself counterclockwise from the top down. So I'll see it spinning counterclockwise. And that just means that it needs to be loosened a little bit, or a lot of it, because I let that spin for a while. And generally, that will neutralize the string tension. So that's my little crash course in string tension adjusting. If you have any questions about it, or if you have any suggestions for other methods for adjusting string tension that you think I should make additional tutorials for, love to see what those are. Leave your suggestions in the comments. And if you liked the video, if you thought it was helpful, if it taught you something, click the like button and make sure that you subscribe, because I'm always putting out tutorials and stuff, so always cool things to check out. Anyhow, thank you for watching again, and I will catch you guys later.